And hello, friends. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I hope this video finds you well. Definitely take time to subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for becoming part of our home decor family. So in today's video, we are going to show a little love towards Hanukkah. We have been featuring a lot of Christmas related videos, but I didn't want to leave Hanukkah out. So I'm going to bring you some of the best tablescapes, outside decor and decorations, buffet table decor that I have seen lately. If you are a person that celebrates Hanukkah, I hope that you are able to get some inspiration from this video. If you are a person that celebrates Christmas and you see something you like, just change the colors up and change a few of the pieces. Like this candy buffet this dessert table spread is absolutely adorable to me. I love this soothing blue color that they use. It's so pretty. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna stop talking. You all enjoy the video. I'll pop back in later. So I just had to pop in and tell you that I found this piece online and it retails for right at $3,000. I believe that's called a menorah, but that is expensive. If you are of the Jewish faith or are someone that celebrates Hanukkah, please take a moment and tell us your favorite Hanukkah traditions that your family observes below in the comments section. I absolutely hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which picture or which design decor that you felt drawn to. I have a couple actually. Some of them are so beautiful. I love this one because there isn't much blue. It's like they went with a neutral tone, and I thought it was just absolutely gorgeous. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I have to take a pause for the cause to bring you one of my favorite Christmas CDs ever. It's called Christmas in the Night by the Jeremy Thomas Quartet. This is absolutely amazing. Go ahead and head over to jeremythomasquartet.com to purchase this CD. If you like upbeat jazz and funks, music that actually feels good with good lyrics and appropriate for the family to play during the Christmas season, then this is for you. Let's get back in the video. So I know that I've already asked you all what your favorite image was of these Hanukkah photos, but if you want to know mine, it is absolutely this house. This house is gorgeous. I mean, it's elegant in a way. It's blue and perfect in my opinion. Let me know what you think.